Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, in my last color and chat video of 2021, I posed the question, what would you like to see more of on the channel? And one of our subscribers, members, and friends, Felicia of We're Baking and Crafting Meets, she said she wanted to see more jewelry making. And so because I have a few orders that I need to put out into get into the mail this week, I'm going to go ahead and oblige her. Why? Because I'm just kind like that. Now, this particular order that I'm going to do right now, I have 4, but this particular one I received from Etsy. I also received it from Facebook as well as word of mouth. You know, someone will contact me via Instagram or direct message me or give me a call or whatever. But this one is just from my Etsy shop. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Now, if you are not familiar with my keepsake bracelets, I am going to drop a link below to the listing for that in case you're interested. You know, shameless plug. Hey, it's my channel. This is what I'm supposed to. If I don't plug me, who's going to? Nevertheless, let's move on. So now I received this order, and I typically will print off like a packing slip, just or it's an order slip, just so that I'll know what they ordered. For this one, the birthstone color is light green, which is peridot. The initial is C. And so what I typically will do, majority, although I have a pretty good supply of jewelry making elements, the majority of the pieces that I need for the keepsake bracelets are in here. And I think you've seen in my craft room tour in the cubby where I keep all of the other supplies, but this is just easier for me. So in here I have some of the bracelets, so it's just easier for me to pull. The butterflies, and you've seen this in a haul that I've shown these things in. Some of the jump rings. These are not the jump rings that I use predominantly in this one. These are for like special pieces that I put on because the gauge of it is not that thick. The other ones are in here. These are the jump rings that I use. They're in here, so I use those, and then I'll gather the pieces, and of course I need I'm gonna have those on hand. So these are the bins that will sit on my desk. Okay, this will sit on my space while I create. And what you're looking at is not, this is a black suede placemat. It's a large enough space for me to craft on, and it makes it easier for me to see the metal. They have these plush mats. They're kind of like, it's not furry, but it prevents things from rolling around. However, the majority of them are light colored, and when you have a bright light that's highlighting your space and you have the metals, it makes it difficult for you to see. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. When you're sitting here for 2 or 3 hours doing jewelry, this is not, you don't want to do this. This, however, is a lot easier to see. So, I mean, you know, over the years, and it's been about 10 years, over the years, you learn some of the do's and don'ts of jewelry making because you want to save your eyes. You really do. So, now, like I said, I'll have these bins on here. In this bin, I've already pulled the bracelets. I've pulled the initials for the each bracelet that goes on there. I've gone ahead and wire wrapped some of the birthstones for a few of the bracelets. The one for the Etsy order is in, right, and so I'll have that in front of me. For this one, I have the stone, the initial, the angel wing, and then I just need to pull the spacers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the jewelry making portion to music while I put that together, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I package I'll package the one bracelet that I'll be sending out for the Etsy order. Okay. Okay, so here is obviously the finished bracelet, as you saw, and I'm getting ready to package this up and put it in the mail. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is, before I put it in this box, which is one of the handmade packaging that the hand designed, specially designed packaging that I made for my bracelets. And I think I have a video up still where I made a batch here on the channel, and I made a few more off camera as well. But before I put the bracelet in there, I typically will wipe over it with a jewelry cloth just to get any fingerprints off of it. We always have some type of minimal amount of oils on our hands, even if we wash them. So it's just to bring the shine back and to make it sparkle as it should, so that when the person opens the box, they are happy with what they see. So I'll go ahead and place that in there. And these boxes with packaging, the fluff stuff in the inside, it doesn't do a whole lot of shifting. So I'll just secure the bottom of here. And because I am a small business, I don't do a lot of frilly stuff for the packaging. I make it look good. I use what I have, but I don't add a lot to it, because I think people appreciate the price being kept affordable. And then I'll put in a thank you note. Thank you for your order, along with a couple of different varieties of tea. This is hibiscus tea and ginger tea. And so they can have that or share that with whomever. And then I will take one sheet of tissue paper to wrap the box. And no special, we don't need to talk about how a box needs to be wrapped, right? Like, everybody knows how to do that. This is not the part of the process where anybody's going to be amazed or thrilled. And if you are, good for you. But I myself would not be. I think I'm gonna. Do I want to flip that? I am gonna flip that. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm just gonna cut some of this off. This is not that serious. A little bit of it off. Tape it and keep it moving. Right, folks? Okay. This isn't the part where, the taping and wrapping isn't the part where you get 5 stars. It isn't. It's the price, the quality, and the shipping. So, don't call your grandmother over to package your items. You don't, or should I say, don't feel a need to. Grandmothers always know how to wrap those gifts just right, Meanwhile, we just trying to get them out the door. But no, most people they're perfectly happy with decent or even recycled packaging, as long, and if you can make it look cute without adding that to the budget, adding that to the price, you're happy, which I try to do. And I try to also recycle too. Use recyclables wherever I can. Okay, so we have that. Now let me just add a little sticker. I picked these up, some Stickabilities. I don't even know if that's Michael's or who is that, guys. And then I am going to use some baker's twine, which was around here 5 seconds ago, to, oh gracious, to tie a cute little bow on it before I shove it into the packaging. Just for you. Should I go? Yeah. Yep, we'll go this way. What's wrong with me? I go through this every time. Bows are not my specialty. I assure you, they're not. Okay, and then what I do last is I tuck them neatly into a poly bag, and I'll print the shipping label on here and drop it in the mail. I may put bubble wrap. I've got bubble wrap to go inside of here, and that's that. I don't put anything on the outside because I really don't want to, you know, draw any attention to the packaging. Like, oh, here's some jewelry in here. Take me, you know, that part. We don't need to do that. But when they open it up, they should be happy with the presentation. So that is it. I hope that that took care of whoever Felicia's request. I hope I did the video some justice for you, my friend. And if you guys have any additional requests on for the channel, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like to see any other type of jewelry making videos, let me know. I'll be happy to oblige, just as I did for our dear friend Felicia. And until we're back together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.